Dear friends, good evening. Dear friends, good evening. Today we will study about heat engine. What is heat engine? And then after we will study about heat pump and refrigerator. And also we will study after some a Carnot cycle. What is Carnot cycle? Here heat engine. What is heat engine? We are studying heat engine. Heat engine. What is heat engine? Heat engine. Heat engine is a device. Heat engine is a device which take heat energy and convert to the required work. Which is convert in the required work. Like this. This is heat engine. Suppose that this is heat engine. This is heat engine is a device which take heat energy. What is heat energy? Heat energy. Heat energy and produced work or required work. You will tell required work here or required work. That is heat engine. Heat engine is a device which take heat energy and convert or produce the work required work. That is known as heat engine. Heat engine and a flow diagram of heat engine. We will see what flow diagram of heat engine. Flow diagram of heat engine. Flow diagram of heat engine. Suppose that this is heat engine and heat engine. I have take heat energy and give the produced work. And here heat engine is a device to take heat from the higher temperature body and heat rejected to the lower temperature body. Here Q are heat rejected to the T lower temperature body. Here higher temperature body you will write here higher temperature body. Here lower temperature body. And it is producing work. Here QH is taking from higher temperature and QR heat rejected to the lower temperature body and work is producing. And heat engine is a device which take the heat from higher temperature body and heat rejected to the lower temperature body and some work is produced. It is work producing device. And we will study about efficiency. What is efficiency? The ratio of work input to the work output. The ratio of heat input to the work output. Heat input are anywhere efficiency input to the output. The ratio of input to output known as efficiency. Here input heat energy and here output is a work. Here efficiency denoted eta is equal to output upon input. Like this. Here output work upon input QH heat supplied or higher heat taking from the higher temperature body. That is QH. And we know that from first law of thermodynamics of any system, net work equal to net heat. From first law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Here net heat into net output. You know in the form of theory, heat neither be created nor be destroyed. It can transform from one form to another form. Here heat coming system, heat coming, that is positive, and heat rejecting, it is negative heat minus, and QR, and heat producing work is a positive work W, and Q put here W equal to, here you will put, then after you will get efficiency. What is efficiency? Output W upon QH heat supplied, and here you will put here QH minus QR heat rejected upon QH, heat supplied, heat addition, higher temperature bodies, which heat taking from the higher temperature body, and you will put again, you will solve. Then after you heat H cancel out, and you will get here QR, heat rejected to the heat supplied. Heat addition, high heat coming from the higher temperature body. It is efficiency. It is efficiency 1 minus QR upon QH. It is valid for reversible and irreversible both process. What is reversible and irreversible both process? It is valid. You will write here. It is valid for. It is valid for both reversible and irreversible process. Both reversible and irreversible process. Irreversible cycle you will tell also here, cycle, because it is cyclic process. It is cyclic process. It means here heat engine is a device which take heat energy and produce the required work. In the simple block diagram I have seen here, and it is flow diagram. Heat energy take the heat from the higher temperature body, and some heat rejected to the lower temperature body, and work is producing. It means heat is a work producing device, and efficiency the ratio of output upon input, that is known as efficiency. And here work is output and heat supplied is a input, and then after work W upon heat supplied QH, heat, higher heat coming from the higher temperature body. And then after first law of thermodynamics of any system, net heat equal to net work. Net heat equal to net work. You can write here net heat in our cyclic process. You can write net heat equal to net W. You can write here net heat equal to net work. You will write here net work. But no need to write here. I am writing for to understand and to learn, and keeping it is coming again in mind. QR minus QH equal to W. He will put here. Then after you will get 1 minus QR upon QH. Heat rejected to the heat supplied, and it is valid for. It is valid for both process. It is difference. It is valid for both process, reversible and irreversible cycle process. Reversible and irreversible cycle. And now we are studying about. We are going to study about refrigerator. What is refrigerator? We are studying refrigerator. What is refrigerator? Refrigerator is a device. Refrigerator is a device which take the refrigerator is a device which maintain the lower temperature of the body or of the system, and heat rejected to the higher temperature body, and some work will give input here. Suppose that this is refrigerator. In a flow diagram, we are studying flow diagram. It is refrigerator, and here it is. This is refrigerator taking heat. Refrigerator is the device which take heat from the lower temperature body and rejected to the heat higher temperature body. And work is a absorbing device. Work is a consuming device. Here work which will have to given. And here T lower temperature lead to lower temperature body, T higher temperature body. And here T lower temperature body, our aim to maintain the lower temperature of the system or in closed space. What is to maintain the lower temperature of the system or in closed space? Here you will write here system. You can write here yes system, or you will write here system. It is this way. This way, and work consuming device. And here we will obtain the COP, coefficient of performance. What is coefficient of performance? Coefficient of performance, it is the ratio of desired effect to the work input. What is it? Is desired effect to the work input, that is refrigerator COP. You will write here COP of the refrigerator, COP, coefficient of performance. What is complete name? I am writing here, pen changing here. COP, it is coefficient of performance. It is here COP, that is coefficient of performance. RMANCE, coefficient of performance. And what is coefficient of performance? The ratio of desired effect to the work input of refrigerator. Refrigerator here, desired effect work input desired effect of the work input. Here it is desired effect, system to maintain the lower temperature, it means heat is rejecting, heat is absorbing. Refrigerator is a heat taking from the lower temperature body. Here I will tell refrigeration effect, it is short for refrigeration effect. And here heat rejected to the QH. What is QH? Heat rejected to the higher temperature body to maintain the here heat absorbing from the system or lower temperature body, and heat rejected to the higher temperature body. And then after QR you will write here heat rejected refrigeration effect to work input W. And from first law of thermodynamics, net work equal to net heat. You will write here, it is here. Here you will write here W negative work, it is consuming device, work on the system, negative work. And here refrigeration effect, it is coming. You will also tell here heat rejected from the, you can write here QL, heat taking from the lower temperature body. Here RE refrigeration effect plus refrigeration effect is coming positive, and QH it is outgoing, hence it is minus negative QH. And then after we will multiply negative sign, minus sign, multiply in minus sign, then after you will get W equal to QH minus QR. Refrigeration effect QR, yeah, you will write here RE refrigeration effect. What is refrigeration effect? And you will put here in the W is equal to, it means RE refrigeration effect upon you will writing here QH minus RE refrigeration effect. I am writing here RE refrigeration effect. You can write here Q heat rejected, heat absorbing from the lower temperature body QL. Then you can write here QL upon QH minus QL. It is COP. This COP is valid for reversible and irreversible both process. This COP is valid for reversible and irreversible both process. Like this here you have write this process is valid it is valid for both reversible and reversible cycle. It is also here valid. And then after we will study it, the heat pump. What is heat pump? Here removing it, and here it is removing it. Then after don't make a noise, keep silent and do your work, study here. Be careful and attentively write down here. Now listen, let us go start. What is heat pump? Heat pump is the same like this refrigerator. Heat pump is a device which take the heat from lower temperature body and heat rejected to the higher temperature body. Heat pump, I am talking about heat pump. like this, a refrigerator. What is refrigerator? Refrigerator is a device which consuming work and take the heat from the lower temperature body and heat rejected to the higher temperature body. And our motive, our aim, yeah, our desired effect to maintain the lower temperature of the system. That is QR heat refrigeration effect, or QL lower heat rejected to the heat absorbing to the refrigerator from the lower temperature body. And here heat pump is a device which take the heat from lower temperature body and heat rejected to the higher temperature body. And here it is my aim, to higher temperature body it is my system, and which absorbing which heat is going to the higher temperature body heat pump. Here heat pump, this is the way, heat pump, this is system, here it is surrounding. You will kind of surrounding, heat taking from surrounding, heat rejected to the transfer to the system QH higher temperature body, and heat taking from QL UV refrigeration effect. Here you are telling here heat taking from the lower temperature body QL, it is here is work consuming device, and here T lower temperature, here T higher temperature. What is higher temperature of the system and lower temperature of the surrounding outside. Heat pump is a device which take heat from lower temperature body or surrounding and heat transfer to the system, that is our here my aim is to arriving to achieving the heat to the system. How many heat it is achieving to the system, you will write here. And you will also draw the COP, coefficient of performance. What is coefficient of performance? Again, careful about heat pump. Heat pump is a device which take heat from the lower temperature body and heat transfer to the higher temperature body. My desired is to high temperature body. How many heat is achieving to the system? How many heat achieving to the system? That is known as heat pump. A heat pump is a work consuming device, and here you will obtain the COP of the heat pump. COP coefficient of performance of heat pump. It is desired effect to the work input. What is desired effect to the work input? Here desired effect work input. Here W, your desired effect higher temperature body to achieve the higher temperature body to achieve the higher heat supply to the higher temperature body. It means here QH upon W work. And first law of thermodynamics, you know that net work equal to net heat. It means W coming, it is compression, it is negative work, it is system work is on the system, that is negative, and Q supplied to the system, that is positive, and heat QH outgoing to the system negative. And here you will multiply negative sign, you will get W is equal to QH minus QL, and here you will put here QH upon and QH minus QL. Here you will get efficiency of the COP of the heat pump. Here you will know this. And this is also both, it is reversible and irreversible cycle. Both it is valid for reversible and irreversible cycle. And the next we will study about Carnot cycle. What is Carnot cycle? It is removing this. I am removing this here. Here also it is also removing it. Yes. Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle is a ideal cycle. It is reversible cycle. Carnot cycle is a ideal cycle. Ideal cycle. It is a reversible cycle. Reversible cycle. It is ideal cycle. It is reversible cycle. Here Carnot cycle. I am denoting here PV diagram of pressure and volume diagram. And here temperature and entropy diagram. Temperature and entropy diagram. Here process 1 to 2 process, 2 to 3 process, 3 to 4 process, and again here 1 to 2, 1 to 2 process, 2 to 3 process, 3 to 4 process. Here reversible. It is first process 1 to 2. Process 1 to 2, it is reversible adiabatic process. Reversible adiabatic compression. Here 1 to 2 reversible adiabatic compression. It is a clockwise direction. It is work producing device. Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle is a ideal cycle, or Carnot cycle is a reversible cycle. Reversible cycle means all process will be reversible. All process will be reversible. And here from 1 to 2, process 1 to 2, process 1 to 2, it is reversible adiabatic compression. Here process 1 to 2 reversible adiabatic reversible adiabatic compression. Or here isentropic compression. Isentropic compression. Isentropic compression. Isentropic compression. You here, and then after here 2 to 3 process. 2 to 3 process. It is isothermal heat addition. Isothermal heat addition process. 2 to 3 process. Isothermal heat addition. Isothermal heat addition. Isothermal heat addition process. And also isothermal temperature will constant. T maintain to higher temperature. And here we in the form of theory we can write here isothermal reversible adiabatic compression from 1 to 2. It means you can write here from V1 volume, T1 temperature, V1 volume, P1 pressure, and then after from P1 to P2 pressure, V2 volume, and T2 temperature, T2 higher temperature, and then after 2 to 3 process, it is heat addition process. Isothermal heat addition. Here you will write isothermal heat addition process. 2 to 3 process isothermal heat addition process. What is heat addition process? Isothermal expansion. Isothermal expansion. Here you can write here isothermal expansion process. Isothermal expansion process. 2 to 3 process. It means temperature will constant, temperature maintain to higher temperature. Here pressure from pressure P2, volume V2 to and temperature T2. Here pressure P3 from, you can write here from pressure P2, volume V2, temperature T2 to pressure P3, volume V3, temperature T3. And also isothermal, it means T2 equal to T3 equal to T higher temperature, to higher temperature. And also you will write here from again process 3 to 4 process, reversible adiabatic expansion. What is process 3 to 4? Process 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic expansion. 3 to 4 process reversible adiabatic expansion. I am writing here process 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic reversible adiabatic expansion. Reversible adiabatic expansion process are again you can write here isentropic expansion. Isentropic expansion. Isentropic expansion. EXPAN. Yes. Isotropic expansion process. Isotropic expansion process you will write here. And again process you write here from pressure P3 V3 and temperature T3. You can write here from pressure P3 V3 volume and temperature T3 to to pressure P2 volume P4 volume V4 and temperature T4 it is coming process. And then after you will write here from reversible process 4 to 1 process. 4 to 1 process heat rejection process. QR heat rejection process. QR heat rejection process. From process 4 to 3, 4 to 1. Process 4 to 1. It is what is isothermal heat rejection process. Isothermal heat rejection process. Isothermal heat rejection process. Isothermal heat rejection. Isothermal heat rejection process. Temperature will constant, and you can write here from pressure P4 volume V4 temperature T4 to pressure P1 volume V1 and temperature T1. Here you can write T1 equal to T4 equal to T lower temperature. Here we are seeing all process is a reversible process. First process 1 to 2 process. What is reversible adiabatic compression process? Isentropic process. And reversible adiabatic process में you can detail if you want to write the heat change, heat transfer will be 0. Heat transfer change in heat equal to 0. And then after you can write here 2 to 3 process. Isothermal heat addition process. What is isothermal heat addition process? Isothermal heat addition process is expansion process. Isothermal expansion process. And from pressure P2 V2 temperature T3 and P3 V3 T3 you can write here. Here also you can write from P1 pressure. You can write here P1 pressure V1 volume temperature T1 to P2 V2 and T2 temperature, and T2 temperature you can write here. And then after heat from 3 to 4 process. 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic expansion. 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic expansion isentropic process. Heat transfer will be 0. You know the adiabatic process. And then after P3 V3 T3 temperature to P4 V4 and T4 temperature. Then after from process 4 to 1. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, it has changed. Sorry. It means this will right. This will it will be this will clockwise direction. And here process 4 to 1. Process 4 to 1. It is reversible adiabatic heat rejection. It is isothermal heat rejection process from P4 V4 P4 volume P4 pressure V4 volume T4 temperature to P1 V1 T1, and then from itna to itna. This way you will get here. And all process is a reversible process. Hence it is cycle is a reversible cycle. What is reversible cycle? And it is ideal cycle because it is impossible. 2 process isothermal process and 2 process here you will write 2 process is a adiabatic process. Process 1 to 2 reversible adiabatic compression, and process 3 to 4 reversible adiabatic expansion. It means ki very fast process. It means very fast process. Then after you will get a reversible adiabatic expansion. Heat transfer will be 0. That will be isentropic process. And here 2 process is isothermal process. 2 to 3 process isothermal heat addition, and 3 to 4 to 1 process isothermal heat rejection. Isothermal heat rejection, isothermal heat addition process, isothermal heat rejection is very slow process. There is quasi-static process. It is impossible. It means 2 process is very slow process, 2 process is very fast process. This type of device to make it is very difficult. Hence it is a ideal cycle. Hence it is a ideal cycle. And Carnot cycle, you know, the Carnot is a cycle and ideal cycle, reversible cycle, and this way, and it is a clockwise direction. It is a clockwise direction. It is work production device. It means here network, what will you be? Network heat addition to heat addition minus heat rejection. Network you will get you will get here network. What is network? Network equal to heat addition minus rejection heat rejection. And COP, sorry, here it is work production device. It is efficiency what is output upon input, the ratio of output to the input. What is net work done, our network, it is a output, network it is a output. You can write here W net, also you can write here W net. It is work producing W net. Here heat supplied QA heat supplied, hence efficiency. What is efficiency? Eta is equal to input output upon input, W net output upon input heat supplied, QA, and here W equal to QA minus QR, QA minus QR upon QA, and then after you will get cancel out QA and you will get 1 minus QR upon QA, and it is reversible process. It is reversible process, hence in reversible process you can write here isentropic reversible process. You can write here in reversible process reversible cycle, Q proportional to T, and here you can write here 1 minus T lower temperature and T higher temperature. It is efficiency of the cycle, and efficiency 1 minus T lower temperature upon T higher temperature. It is efficiency of the Carnot cycle. Here you will Carnot cycle, efficiency of the Carnot cycle. 1 minus T lower temperature upon T higher temperature, and from this formula we can know that we can obtain Carnot efficiency. Carnot cycle efficiency depend on the temperature, T upper T lower temperature and T higher temperature. It means its theorem we can define as it is a device. It statements if any heat engine which will work constant higher temperature source and constant lower temperature source, then none has higher efficiency than of the Carnot cycle efficiency. It means Carnot cycle efficiency is maximum efficiency. And what is maximum efficiency? And no any other device to make this more than the efficiency of the Carnot cycle efficiency. And here we will stop here. Okay, thank you.